Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy dice rolls in Monopoly Go. To do so, you first need to launch your game on your device, and once it's launched, just click on the Monopoly Go money on the top of your screen, like so. And here you can see there are 6 different options for you to choose from. You can choose to buy 30, 80, 180, 425, 1400 and 3200 dice rolls. Pick the one you want and follow through with the transaction. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!